Alright guys, last look at the AJE Colt 65 kit. I'm fixing to slap the monster truck tires back on it, jack it up, get it off those cribs, get it set on all four hooves again. There the kit is dressed out. I've got it dressed out with SN95 hub bearings, spindles, or I'm sorry, SN95 spindles, then 2003 GT, no, 2003 base model. I think base and the GT are the same for the brakes though. But calipers and rotors. Get the tires put back on it, tires and wheels. Get it set on the ground so we can use the parts I've got and see if we can get the steering shaft sorted out. But wish me luck, and I'll come back once I get the tires put on it, y'all. There it is, fully dressed out with a caliper and the rotor on it. Now to put the tire on. There it is with a monster truck tire on it. I'm not tightening the lug nuts down all the way because I'm not going to be able to put it on the ground tonight because the tire won't rotate. It's catching on something. I don't know. I don't think it's the tire catching on anything. If anything, I think it's the wheel. It's just a 15-inch Explorer alloy, and it's, I don't know, doesn't want to rotate. So I'm not gonna cinch all the lug nuts down. I'm not gonna put it on the ground tonight either. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side and get the tire put on it. There, the passenger side is done. Brake caliper and all on. I got the rotor on and the tire hung. Just got it on there loose, so someone can help me investigate tomorrow what it's scrubbing on.